Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, electronics hobbyist, or a professional engineer, having a reliable, adjustable DC power supply is essential for testing and powering your projects. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best adjustable DC power supplies you can buy right now. Let's get started. Number 5 on our list is the Bside I8 adjustable DC power supply. The Bside I8 adjustable DC power supply is a powerful yet compact device designed to meet a wide range of electronic testing and repair needs. Featuring a vibrant TFT 320 by 240 color screen with a full 360-degree viewing angle, this model provides a high-precision 4-digit display and 6-line output for clear and comprehensive readouts at all times. Equipped with models I84020 and I83010, the Bside I includes a USB communication interface, allowing seamless connection to a computer for programming and data management. This enhances control and expands its usability in automated test systems and electronics development. Designed for portability, the unit boasts a small footprint and light weight without compromising on functionality. It supports automatic switching between constant voltage and constant current modes, with both voltage and current adjustable from 0 to their respective rated values. This flexibility ensures suitability for a variety of applications, from circuit development to device repair. The power supply ensures stable voltage output and precise current limiting with intuitive controls for ease of use. Built-in protections against overvoltage, overcurrent, and overload ensure safety and reliability under all operating conditions. To enhance performance and longevity, the device includes an intelligent electronically controlled fan. It delivers effective cooling with low noise, extending fan life and maintaining a quiet working environment. Compatible with both AC 110B and 220-volt inputs, the Bside I can be used globally, providing dependable performance whether in a professional lab or a home workspace. Number 4 is the Suswe adjustable DC power supply. The Suswe adjustable DC power supply is engineered to meet the demands of professionals and hobbyists alike, combining advanced features with user-friendly design. With its modular structure and variable AC power capabilities, this power supply stands out as a dependable tool across various testing and development environments. At the core of its functionality is a high-precision 4-digit display that delivers voltage and current readings with 0.01V and 0.001A resolution. This ensures accurate monitoring and control, vital for sensitive electronic projects. The unit offers smooth and continuous adjustment of both voltage and current, making it adaptable for a broad spectrum of applications, from laboratory experiments to industrial diagnostics. One of its key highlights is its programmable output, designed to maintain stable voltage and current even under fluctuating load conditions. This stability is crucial for ensuring consistent performance during extended testing sessions. Designed with flexibility in mind, the Suswe power supply performs efficiently across a wide range of temperatures and humidity levels. This multi-environment compatibility allows users to rely on it in varied working conditions without compromising performance. Safety is integral to its design. The unit includes comprehensive protection mechanisms, such as overvoltage, overcurrent, and overtemperature safeguards. These features protect both the power supply and connected devices, promoting long-term reliability and user confidence. Whether used in research labs, electronics workshops, or educational settings, the Suswe adjustable DC power supply delivers precise control, stable performance, and robust safety, all essential qualities for dependable power delivery. Coming in at number 3 is the Nice Power SPS3010 adjustable DC power supply. The Nice Power SPS3010 adjustable DC power supply is a versatile and high-performance tool designed to meet the demands of modern laboratories, workshops, and DIY enthusiasts. Engineered as an ultra-strong 4-in-1 unit, it effectively combines the functionality of multiple power supplies in a single device. With one 30-volt 10-amp dual-channel configuration, the SPS 3010 can function as two 30-volt 10-amp units, a 30-volt 20-amp unit, or a 60-volt 10-amp unit, maximizing both budget efficiency and operational convenience. At the heart of this flexibility is the SPS 3010's powerful one-touch series and parallel switching capability. With in-depth mode, users can access two independent 30-volt 10-amp outputs. Switching to SIR mode links the channels in series for a 60-volt 10-amp output, while PAR mode enables parallel operation for a 30-volt 20-amp output. This intuitive switching feature allows seamless adaptation to a variety of testing and repair scenarios. Precision control is another standout feature, with 4 rotary encoder knobs allowing voltage and current settings to be fine-tuned to 0.01V and 0.01A. This ensures accurate output for delicate or high-demand applications, from lab experiments and LED testing to battery charging and electronics repair. Certified by CE and FCC, the SPS 3010 includes robust safety protections guarding against overvoltage, overcurrent, overheating, and overpower conditions. Whether you're working in a professional lab, maintaining home electronics, or tackling complex DIY projects, the SPS 3010 delivers the reliability and precision needed for efficient and safe operation. Number 2 is the Kuaiqu AN205 adjustable DC power supply. The Kuaiqu AN205 adjustable DC power supply is designed to deliver precision, control, and safety in a sleek and compact form factor. Ideal for laboratory work, electronics testing, and DIY projects, it stands out with its advanced features and user-friendly design. At its core is a highly precise 4-digit LED display, offering voltage resolution down to 0.01V and current resolution to 0.001A. This level of detail allows users to fine-tune power delivery with confidence. The display also includes automatic power calculation, streamlining workflow and reducing the need for manual computations during usage. A notable feature is the output switch control, which enhances safety and equipment longevity. Instead of abruptly unplugging or forgetting to power off, users can seamlessly manage voltage or current transitions with a single key press, minimizing the risk of damage to connected devices. Safety and reliability are embedded into the AN205's design. Certified by CE and FCC, this power supply incorporates multiple protection features and is built with high-quality electronic components and robust circuitry, ensuring consistent performance and protection from overvoltage, overcurrent, and overheating. For added convenience, the AN205 includes a 5V 2A USB charging port, allowing users to power smartphones or small devices directly from the unit. Complementing this is an intelligent cooling fan system that maintains optimal operating temperature even under continuous use. Its compact vertical design, combined with shock-absorbing rubber feet, enhances stability and portability, making the Kuaiqu AN205 a reliable companion for both benchwork and field applications. And finally, our number 1 pick is the Wanptek WPS3010H adjustable DC power supply. The Wanptek WPS3010H adjustable DC power supply offers a thoughtful combination of precision, safety, and user convenience, making it a practical tool for electronics enthusiasts and professionals alike. At the heart of its design is the precision encoder knob, which replaces traditional rotary controls for voltage and current adjustments. This modern solution ensures more accurate and user-friendly data setting, especially when fine-tuning output values. To streamline repetitive tasks, the WPS3010H features 3 memory storage keys M1, M2, and M3. These allow users to save and instantly recall commonly used voltage and current combinations, eliminating the need for constant manual readjustment. Another standout feature is the dedicated output button, enabling users to modify voltage and current settings while the output remains off. This design significantly reduces the risk of accidental overvoltage or overcurrent, providing a safeguard for sensitive components during setup. Safety is further reinforced by the unit's short circuit alarm. In the event of a short circuit, the power supply immediately halts output and issues an audible alert, offering immediate feedback to prevent damage to connected devices. For added versatility, the WPS3010H includes both USB-A and USB-C fast charging ports, allowing users to power or charge external devices directly from the supply. This dual-port configuration ensures compatibility with a wide range of modern electronics, from smartphones to repair equipment. Overall, the Wanptek WPS3010H blends intelligent design with practical functionality, making it a dependable addition to any workbench or lab environment.